This is the Day's Eye Channeling and a reading for the 20th of January. There's a different angle. My YouTube app blew up on my iPhone. I need a new iPhone, but in the interim, we have a new camera angle. So we'll make lemonade from lemons. There is a new tarot deck that I've purchased, the Avian Tarot, and it's lovely, lovely. So we're just going to use the tarot cards today, and I haven't looked at any of the cards. The book is so beautiful that came with it. We'll go ahead and draw a couple of cards, and then we'll actually read from the book as well. So shuffle. We'll stop right here. From the top of the deck, we have the Page of Wands, the Egyptian vulture. All right, well, what I'm getting with this is there is your life story, a significant page in your life story is going to present itself, and fire energy. But this page is actually going to help you rise from the ashes. So what I'm getting here is you're in the fires of transformation. And what do vultures do? They're cleaner-uppers, right? They actually eat the death energy. It's what they do. Circle of life. Not good or bad. It's just the way things are by divine design. And then let's see what the book has to say on the Page of Wands, the Egyptian vulture. Upright personifies ideas and inspiration. New ventures are at the forefront, embraces the unknown and excitement, curiosity, and a carefree spirit. Answers are likely to be discovered in the most unlikely of places. The querent is researching options and reaching conclusions as to the best course of action to continue their personal growth. The current situation provides the greatest number of opportunities from which to choose. And then on the in the subconscious, or the bottom of the deck, we have it's a reverse. So we'll turn it up right to see what it is. It's the High Priestess, the little owl. Beautiful card. In reverse, right off the bat, I'm getting, the High Priestess is the secret keeper. So in reverse, we have secrets being exposed under the moons. So what's been done in the dark under the moon cycles. I'm definitely getting black magic here. A whole lot of it. And every cycle of the moon too. It's been continuous, obsessive. We can see many different cycles of the moon here. There's been heavy black magic done on each and every one of them. And we have this contrast too. Positive and negative dualities, light and shadow. I'm also getting that in reverse, what appeared to be light, the high priestess, the little owl or the white owl, was never that. This is a practitioner, a witch. An angry one, because you could see her face, the glare. So I'm getting a lot of anger coming through as their secrets are exposed. But let's see what major arcana the high priestess has to say. So reverse, the Quirin is unable to connect with their inner self. And that's been the problem all along, right? Unwilling to change, fixed energy on not healing, but keeping things the same, doing things the same way. Afraid or too stubborn to look at oneself. They lack the ability to self-reflect and learn and are disconnected from reality, withdraw from social situations in society. And there are secrets not yet uncovered still. So there's a lot more that will be exposed. Because right now we're in denial reversed. One big denial energy. Okay, let's draw an oracle from, let's do Urban Crow since we're with the birds today. I'm also channeling Alfred Hitchcock, The Birds, that movie. This card's popping up, nighttime. This upcoming full moon is significant, and so is what's been done at night. All of the witchcraft and voodoo and dark energy that's being sent. It's all being, it's frozen this entire mob in right where they are in their life. And they're being iced out from reality, true reality. They're all in a dark night of the soul. This is all coming to illumination, full illumination over this full moon as well. We have 33rd degree Masons. This is an organized crime ring. And this is also surrounding a town, a local town. We have it in the background. On the reverse, we have commitment. So misery loves company. And they've been targeting two people who actually love themselves and wish to come into union. They have a commitment to each other. It's a soul contract. It's a deep bond. It's otherworldly. But as above, so below, it's beginning to bloom. Manifest on the physical. And that's a lot what the hubbub has been about as well. Keeping people stuck. Human slavery. I channeled Pluto death with the alphabet letters. We have Pluto changing signs. Tomorrow, actually. It's a once-in-a-lifetime event. It's a big deal. But there will be a very grandiose end to you could call it a death to a cycle. We'll go ahead and close it right there. Namaste.